Hey guys, it's me, Steph, again, and here's another video of another thing I got. I got the Bronzed Lit Kit by Lauroyl Los Angeles Highlighter Palette. Now, my best friend Roseanne is a little more on the paler side, so these were colors that would be best that I could use. Which is fantastic because I wasn't even expecting this, and it was an awesome gift. So, let's see what it says. Okay, Lauroyl. I don't own anything by Lauroyl, but it is the Bronzed Lit Kit highlighter palette. And it comes with these pretty shades. I don't think my computer is going to do it justice because this does not look the way that it does. But we have, oh there, see? Okay. So we have Yacht Club, Rose Gold, Gold Rush, and On the Glow. I could try swiping a few of them so you can see, but we'll see how this goes, so. No, this is going to be a bad idea. I'll probably just add the clip of me swiping them. Right now, I do have something already on my nose, but I can go in with, like, the Rose Gold and, like, go down my nose, which, oh yeah, that's like super obvious. Yeah, and then put a little here, and Cupid's thing, which, I mean, that's fucking insane that you could really see a huge difference between my face. Since a lot of these aren't really showing, what I've been doing is like swatching my cheek, so people can kind of see how blinding each one is. So here's the Rose Gold on my cheek. And there. And then we'll try Gold Rush. I mean, we can put a little more on there. Yeah, cool. And then the last one is On the Glow. I guess you can kind of see it, but they're all pretty pigmented, as you can see. Okay, well, I mean, I really like it. I'm sure they can also be used as, like, eyeshadows, which is really cool, and it has this really big mirror that I really like. So yeah, that's my quick little swatch and review. I should just put up a little clip of like what it looks like swatched on my hand. I'll probably do it on my arm right here. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I will have more. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.